In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Roblox not launching. So if you want to play Roblox on roblox.com and you're trying to launch a game and it just doesn't launch, it just is stuck on the download and install option and nothing comes up, and you have probably uninstalled it and reinstalled it, it's not working, this video is for you. Now before we go straight into what I just want to say, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. I make consistent tutorials like this every time. I'll try to. I'm going to uni this year, maybe it'll go away. Also, any trouble, leave in the comments below, I'll try and respond. Other than that, let's get on with the video. So the first thing you want to do is uninstall the app. Now I did say earlier some people uninstall the app and it doesn't work. I'm going to show you how to properly do it. So just go to your settings first, go to your apps, installed apps, and then here search for your Roblox. You'll see your Roblox player for your computer username. Make sure it's just Roblox player here. You want to go and uninstall that. And once that's done, normally what people do is that they'll just go and reinstall it and they still get the same issue. We're going to have to actually delete the Roblox files in order to fix this issue. So to do that, you just want to go ahead and press Windows and search command prompt, CMD. You want to use your command prompt. This won't wreck your computer or anything, don't worry, we're just going inside our computer to actually clear all the files. Now the first thing you want to type is what I have exactly on the screen. cd space appdata/local. Local is all in all lowercase, capital L, capital A for appdata, cd space appdata local, press enter. Then you'll be redirected to that folder. As you can see, this is basically your file explorer here, but just made it easier using the command prompt. Once we're in this, now the next thing you want to type is, again I have it on the screen, rmdir space /s space capital R Roblox. Now press enter. It says are you sure? Just press Y, press enter again. Now just give it a second and then a new command line will come. Once that comes out, it's fully done. All the your corrupted or your bad Roblox files have been completely deleted off your computer. You don't need to do anything else from here. You can just close out of this, close out of your settings, and then I'll hop into Roblox and we'll download it as well. So I'm in my Roblox. Let's say I want to play a game. Again, we completely deleted all the files, we completely deleted the app, so we need to reinstall it. So just press play. Now click on download Roblox. You should get the installer downloading. Once the installer is downloading, open the installer to actually install Roblox. By the way, if you guys are having an issue on Roblox not installing after doing this, just tell me in the comments, because this can happen and then I'll make a tutorial as well. Or you can just find my older tutorials, but I'll try making you a refresh one. And yeah, as you can see, Roblox is now launched. All you need to do is now just sign into your Roblox account, which I'm just going to do now. And yeah, the game is still here. I'm in the actual Roblox app now. Roblox has launched, so I can prove it by going into this. Yeah, as you can see, I've officially launched into the game. Bit funny right now, but yeah. So yeah, that is how you fix your Roblox not launching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to again leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And again, comment down anything you have, any issues you have. I'll try and get back to you. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.